Hello everybody, welcome to a new video, and in this video we'll be learning, like I know almost 80% of you have lost your NVIDIA Control Panel, and I also have lost it and I've called it back. Okay, it has gone to holidays and it has come back like this, but okay, jokes apart, and this is actually a bit problem, and I'll just if you have lost then I'll just give you a simple step to do that. Okay, just you have to go to your services and you have to search here NVIDIA display container address. Okay, if it is not running then you have to start it. If it is running already you have to restart it, and now try to refresh it. If it doesn't work then we'll be going to the next step, that is going to the device manager. And when you open the device manager, what you have to do is you have to click on your display driver, whatever is your display driver, update it and search automatically. Okay, search automatically. If you have the file downloaded, you have to download files. Okay, like from, you can download it from the NVIDIA official site. Okay, like this driver, you have to search your driver on, you can just do from this. Okay, NVIDIA driver downloads. I'll be giving this link in the description, and from there you can choose your graphics card and download it. Okay, and download it, and okay, like this for me, I've got this now. So download it, and from this you can just put your disks from this, and you can just update your graphics card. That also fix the issues. Okay, now after doing this, hope this issue will fix. Now if it doesn't fix, then the next step is again go to your device manager. Go to your device manager and go to your this display adapter, click on it and double click on it, and here you can see the driver option, right? So what you can do is, once you have to here is an update driver kind of thing, but what you can do is you can just roll back the driver. Okay, because this is the latest version I've been using, so I cannot roll back it. So you can roll back if you have the latest version of your graphics card, then you can roll back it. Okay, that will also help for that. And yeah, this is a greatest issue between the Microsoft, like the Windows 10 and then NVIDIA, and hope they will solve it very soon. And the next thing what you can do is just if there is an issue, you can just check some updates, Windows updates, and you can just try it. Okay, like restarting and updating your Windows, that will also help you out. Okay, and now if you have any queries, then you can just message me on the Instagram and I'll help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Catch you later.